filming fishing, and the end of the camera GoPro came off and fell to the bottom of the lake, and we ran across these guys that were doing a little diving, probably spearfishing for bass or something. I don't know. They don't want their names said or anything, but they said they're a bunch of smucks just diving out here. So we asked if they'd do us a favor and come and look for this, and actually they found it, you know. So that's pretty cool. We really owe them a lot of gratitude, and just want to put them on our video and say thanks to the crew here that did this. Bunch of good guys.
It's still rolling. Look at that. It's